liwanag sa dilim, energy to energy. That is how we're going to win this spiritual war, because we are all energy. There are a group of manipulators that brought this world into darkness by using energy. They created systems that will put all of us in a low vibration. Products like food that if we consume can block our own spiritual abilities. Forget who we truly are. They created chaos on this planet that looks natural, while the truth is, they energetically created those chaos by putting fear to all of us. Those fear na itinanim nila sa atin, na pinaniwalaan natin, na pinag-usapan ng buong mundo, kinatakutan, those chaos manifested. Nagkatotoo dahil sa simpleng naramdaman nating takot. Dahil energetically, marami ang nagkaroon ng fear frequency. Umpisa pa lang, they know the truth. At itinago nila sa atin ang katotohanan na our thoughts, our feelings are powerful. That it can create reality. Sinanay tayo sa negative or low vibrational emotions at pinaniwala na ito ang normal. That is how they destroy this planet, by using all of us. That's how they are slowly destroying us, and while destroying us, they are becoming so powerful and enjoying extreme wealth. That is why by being light in the dark, by possessing positive energy that is bringing us to a high vibration, can save all of us. The Savior that we are waiting for is deep within us. We have inner Christos. Each and every one of us have pieces of God. It needs to activate. Let's wake up the divine consciousness within us. Hindi kailangan magpaka-superhero, magbuwis ng buhay. Ang simpleng kapayapaan sa puso. Pusong puno ng pasasalamat kahit sa maliliit na biyaya. Ang pagkakaroon ng puro at malinis na intensyon. Yang busilak mong puso, yan ang ating tagapagligtas. Yan po ang mag-aangat sa ating lahat. Wala kayong kailangang gawin kundi alisin ang galit at poot sa puso. Matutong magpatawad, alisin ang takot at pangamba. Pahalagahan ang sarili at maniwala na posible ang positibong pagbabago. Maging malakas sa bawat pagsubok, tibayan ng loob. Maniwala na makakamit natin ang mundo na nararapat para sa ating lahat. Mundo na puno ng liwanag, kasaganahan, ligtas para sa lahat, at may pagmamahalan, na siya ding magbubunga ng ligaya at kapanatagan sa ating lahat. Kaya piliin at panatilihin ang purong puso na may malinis na hangarin, dahil ang puso mong nagliliwanag ang tatalo sa dilim.